Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite dishes, your favorite food, drinks, you name it. Anyway, today's menu gonna be this way. We're gonna do some garlic roast oven baked chicken, or we're gonna sprinkle some honey when the chicken is finished on top of the garlic and the chicken also, and put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes and get a lovely sticky color. So it is a garlic chicken oven baked with honey. So hopefully you will like the recipe and you will try it at home and tell me what you think about the recipe. Garlic chicken. Right now, I'm telling you, I can smell that beautiful scent which is coming out from the oven, guys. Because I got it straight in the oven now. And I'm telling you, if you give it a try, you will love it. Remember, garlic chicken can serve with plain rice, vegetable, salad, whatever you like to serve it with. And also I have a new recipe coming out for garlic dressing. Hopefully you will like that one. If you want me to make the garlic dressing, please write it below. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back. It's amazing, guys. Anyway, today we want to show you how you can make yourself some garlic baked chicken at home. Really nice and beautiful with some honey glaze on top of it. And I'm going to show you how to marinate it first. And I'm going to show you how to do the garlic bits. So, this is 2 kilos of chicken. It's just leg and thigh. Basically, if you're at home, you can buy some chicken and do the same thing. You can use your favorite season. No worries. Chef Ricardo introducing you to his lovely homemade natural blending season, which work effective for meat, chicken, pork, beef, lamb, you name it. And I'm gonna put some of my natural blending season on this lovely chicken right here. So this is a large tablespoon. Put 1 more tablespoon on it. And I'm gonna put some white onion, half of a white onion. And I'm gonna show you how my natural blending season work on the chicken. So if you're at home, you can always blend up some natural blending season. I will put the link below. So first of all, rub up a chicken with a natural blending season like this. And if you want to use a natural blending season with Chef Ricardo talking about, you have to marinate the chicken from the day before to get the effect in it. Alright? So as you can see, look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Beautiful. So that's the way the natural blending season look on the meat. So now we're gonna put some of the other season on it to give it a lot more color. So 1 tablespoon of all-purpose season. And a tablespoon of chicken season. Paprika. 1 tablespoon. And that's it. We're not gonna put any more of the artificial season. We're not gonna put no salt. We're not gonna put no sugar. We're not gonna put no oil. And we're not gonna put nothing else. Give it a rub. Make sure you got on gloves. Make sure you wash off your chicken with a lemon or vinegar. Oh man, look at that. This is fantastic. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Then what we're gonna do now, because we're gonna cook this the next day. Alright? So simple clean around the edges. Just pop a piece of cling film on it like that. And pop this in the fridge for 24 hours. And I'm gonna show you the rest, guys. Enjoy the recipe. And we will show you how to do the garlic bit in the oven. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. So this is the chicken. So we're gonna cook the chicken today. And I'm gonna show you how to do the garlic oven baked chicken. First of all, let's take off this off a bit. Lovely and nice. Basically, get that oven tray like this one. As you can see. Then, so get that oven tray like this one. And lay your chicken in it. Like this. Lovely and nice. You can smell the Chef Ricardo season on the chicken. Really nice, guys. Seriously. Beautiful. So as you can see exactly what I'm talking about right here. Then get 2, 4, 6 cloves of garlic. Simple. Put them on top of it like that. So mixed herb. Few white onion. And basically what you need to do first, guys, is preheat your oven. Honestly, that's one of the main things which you need to do. Preheat your oven first. And you can use gas mark from 8 to 9. Any one of those you want to use, you can use. And if you're using a different kind of oven, 175 or 165 is good for 30 minutes inside of the oven. Don't put it on the top shelf, put it in the middle shelf to get the flavor from the garlic, make the garlic burn and all over the whole chicken with that lovely scent. So we're gonna put the chicken in the oven, and remember Chef Ricardo seasons on it, so it makes the difference. Alright, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Just take the chicken from the oven, guys, as you can see, looking lovely and fantastic. This is the garlic oven baked chicken. So what I'm gonna do is simple. Little bit of honey. And that's pop it back in the oven for roughly 10 minutes on a medium size heat. Alright? Lovely recipe. Nice and lovely. I just take the chicken from the oven and that's the way it looks, guys. Looking lovely and nice. So this can serve with anything, as I said before, rice and peas, plain rice, dumpling and banana. It's option, guys, you can serve it with. So enjoy the recipe, and as you can see, 35 minutes in the oven with the honey. Garlic oven baked chicken with honey. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard to give you your favorite recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.